In this video, we will explore the concepts of health checks and heartbeats, which are essential for monitoring the health and availability of system components. We will define these concepts and give a brief overview of their purpose. Health checks are automated monitoring mechanisms that continuously verify if system components are functioning correctly. They provide a real-time status of services and infrastructure. These checks are crucial for ensuring that your systems are running smoothly and any issues are promptly identified. There are primarily two types of health checks: passive and active. Passive checks involve the system reporting its own status periodically. Active checks, on the other hand, use external monitoring probes to assess the system's health. Here is a simple example of how a health check can be implemented using Python. The code defines a basic health endpoint that validates critical dependencies, such as a database connection and external services. It returns a simple status indicating whether the system is healthy or unhealthy. This example illustrates how you can create a straightforward health check to monitor your system's vital functions. Heartbeats are regular signals sent by system components to indicate that they are alive and functioning. These periodic messages confirm continuous operation and are a fundamental way to ensure that all parts of a system are still active and responsive. This slide provides an example of how to implement a heartbeat using Python. The code sets up a background thread that sends a pulse signal every 30 seconds, ensuring continuous monitoring. This approach helps maintain awareness of the system's operational status. Let's discuss the key differences between health checks and heartbeats. Health checks are on-demand status verifications that offer detailed component analysis using a request-response pattern. In contrast, heartbeats are continuous alive signals that provide a simple presence indication using a time-based pattern. Here are some best practices for implementing health checks and heartbeats. For health checks, keep the checks lightweight and fast, test only critical dependencies, return meaningful status codes, and include timeout handling. For heartbeats, use consistent intervals, handle network failures gracefully, include timestamp information, and set appropriate timeout thresholds. Following these practices will help you maintain a robust and reliable monitoring system. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.